Now let's take a look at the guitar solo. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3. So this is a beautiful guitar solo performed by James Hetfield. It has a real Gilmour sort of feel about it. It's based predominantly around the E minor pentatonic and blues scale, although there's a few little passing notes in there hinting at other types of scales. We start off by holding the B string at the 15th and we bend the 14th fret G upper whole tone. And then we do that bend again and release. And resolve to the G string. And then we play the 14th fret G, but we kind of cut that note off before resolving back to the 12th fret G, where we sustain the note. So then we drop down a semitone, and we go pick 11, hammer 12, pull off to 11, play 14 on the D, back to 11 on the G, strike 12 on the D and slide up a whole tone. So you get... So once you land on that 12, we restrike and slide up. Okay, let's put that first portion of the solo together slowly. We go on to the next portion. We have this lick. Okay, so we start off 12, 14, 12 on the G. And then we're doing a Chuck Berry style bending lick. Okay, so you're bending 14 up a whole tone on the G and bowing across the top two strings at the 12th fret. Pulling off 15 to 12 on the B. Play the blues note on the 15th fret of the G. Back to the B. So you get... You're coming down that blues scale. And then you play the 12th fret G and you pull that down by a whole tone and resolve to the 14th fret of the D. So let's put that together. Go with the first section. Okay, then we have 14 on the G and the B, and again, and then 13 on the G and the B, and then 12 on the G and the B. Okay, so you're just chromatically going down, so you get that. For the next figure, we're going to slide up from the 14th fret to the 15th fret top E, to 14 on the E, to the B string. Just play that portion again, so put it together. Now we strike 15, slide up to 17, and restrike 17. Then we're going to play 15, and then there's a fast hammer-on pull-off there. So put that together. Then to the B string, 15, 14, top E, and resolve to the B. Okay, so it's quite a fiddly section there. Put that together nice and slowly. following on from that section, we have 12, 14, 12 on the G string. And then we... And you're sort of grabbing that and bending it by a quarter tone. Pull off to the 12th fret of the G. So you come in, play 14 on the D, back to 12 on the G, and then you're bending up 14 on the G, across the top two strings. They're bowing with the first finger, so you get... And then play 15, and you strike it twice. The second time you bend up, and then we finish off by bending. So let's just play through that section. Then we hold that bend. We release it. The guitar kind of goes into feedback there, so I'm re-striking notes to sort of compensate for not having a cranked amp in a live room. So we're bending. And then we pick 12, hammer 15 and pull off 12. Drop down to 7, and then we play 5, hammer 7, pull off 5. So put that together. So really nice solo, some slightly tricky phrasing still, but, you know, you've got to have something to aspire to. I've shaved a couple of bits off there just to make it a little bit easier, but that's pretty much what James Hetfield plays. Okay, now let's play through the solo at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and up to speed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now it's your turn to play through the solo, and I'll see you back here for the outro.